I'm Avi, and in this video, I'm going to introduce you to the camp content type for your YMCA website. The new layout builder functionality in your YMCA website will allow you to move your camp content page from this design to the new colorways that have flexible content regions and are customizable with different color schemes. Let's get into it. To create a new camp page, log into your site, go to Content, Add Content, and Camp. You'll have a brand new Create Camp page where you can enter the title and then some information about the camp. Some of the fields on this page are only used for the old camp content type, and so you can ignore them. Fill in the camp info with the address, the coordinates to locate it on the map, phone number, and any other contact information. You can also migrate an existing camp page from Paragraphs to Layout Builder on a camp by camp basis to ease the transition to Layout Builder. To migrate an existing camp page, go to the existing page and click on the Layout tab. In the Layout Editor, you'll have options to add sections to the camp page, configure the menu, and add content. Let's walk through that process. Before you can publish your camp page, you'll need to add a few different pieces. Scroll down until you see the camp header. You'll see a few places that we need to add some menus. The new camp layout allows you to have two different menus in your camp pages. The camp pages function almost as microsites, so you can have a whole separate navigation for each camp. The quick links allows a small number of links in the utility bar. The camp menu allows you bigger links with multiple levels that function as a main navigation for the camp microsite. In order to get started with the quick links, find the block that says select the menu to display in this camp quick links block. Click the pencil icon and then configure. If you're just getting started, you'll need to create a new menu to hold the quick links for this camp section. Click Add New Menu, add a title with just letters and dashes, and then click Create Menu. If you already have a menu, you can click Add Existing Menu and then use autocomplete. Once you've added or created your quick links menu, you can add links to it. Click Edit Links, and you'll see a pop-up that lets you add links to the menu. Click Add New Link to add a link, and then use autocomplete to select the page you'd like to link to. This page should be created before you create the menu link. Scroll down, change any other settings you need, and click Save. Once you create the links, you can rearrange them by using the drag handles, uncheck to disable them, or use the operations to edit. Once you're finished adding links, click Save. When you're finished editing the quick links menu, click Update. In order for the quick links to function in both desktop and navigation, we need to add them to two different sections of the page. Don't worry, you'll only have to do this once per camp. Find the other block that says Quick Links block. Click the pencil icon, configure, click Add Existing Menu, and choose the menu that you were just working on. Then click Add Menu and Update. Next, we'll want to create the main menu for the camp pages. Find the block that says, please select the menu to display in this camp menu LB block. Click the pencil again and configure. And now we're going to go through the same process. We can add a new menu for the main camp links, or add an existing menu if you have camp links already. Once you've created or selected your main camp links menu, you can edit the links here and rearrange the menu as you see fit. In the main camp links, you can also nest links. You can use the drag handles to change the nesting of your camp links. Once you're finished, click Save. Once you're finished editing the camp menu, click Update. Now that we have the menus, we can begin adding content to the page. Scroll down and you'll see a banner section, a camp info section, the body section, and the footer section. You can add content to all of these sections using the existing layout builder blocks. In any section, click Add Block, Create Custom Block, and then choose a block as you would on any other layout builder page. Check the documentation for more information about all of those block types and how they work. I'm going to go to the page that I've already built, And now we can see I have the quick links, I have the menus, banners, info, and some information in the body. Now that we've created all of the layout builder content for the camp page, we're ready to transition it from the old design to the new design. Click Save Layout, then edit the page. Scroll down to the bottom of the edit screen and check the Use Layout Builder checkbox. Once you check that checkbox, the page will switch from the old design to the new. Click Save, and now you have your new camp page. If you'd like to create a microsite for your camp, we have a camp subpage content type that clones all of the menus in the header and footer of your camp pages to make it easier to build new pages. To build a camp subpage, go to Content, Add Content, Camp Subpage. Here, you'll set the page title, then in the camp field, choose which camp your new page should take its header section from. Click Save and Edit Layout to begin editing the page. We scroll down, you can see here that this new camp subpage already has the quick links and main camp menu from the existing page. If you'd like to use the existing content on the page, you can modify that, or you can remove the existing blocks and create new ones. In this new page, I've created a section, I've created a new small banner, and I've edited the content. You'll also want to add the new subpage to the camp menu. Click the pencil icon, configure, then edit links, add new link. You can use autocomplete to choose the new page, set a menu link title, and then click Save. You can reorder the new page in the menu, click Save again, and update. And now our camp menu has this new page. When you're finished all of that, click Save Layout. Now we've created a camp subpage and a camp homepage. Camp homepage has the camp information in it and lots of rich content with Layout Builder. These pages look great on mobile too. For more information on how to create camp pages, go to our documentation at ds-docs.y.org, then go to Documentation, Use Documentation, Page and Content Types, and Camp. You'll see all this information under Customizing with Layout Builder. There's detailed information on creating camp menus, the landing pages or subpages, how to use the camp info block, and how to customize the camp header. That's it. Thanks.